Welcome to our video on heart health. Did you know your heart is the rock star of your body, performing hit after hit, day and night, without a single break? It's like the Mick Jagger of organs, keeping the beat and making sure everything runs smoothly. But even rock stars need a little help to stay on top, and that's where your diet comes in. Keeping your arteries clean is like giving your heart a VIP pass to peak performance, helping prevent those dreaded heart attacks. So, what's the secret to a heart-healthy diet? Spoiler alert, it's not just about avoiding the bad stuff. It's about embracing the good stuff that keeps your arteries clear and happy. Think of certain foods as the backstage crew for your heart, making sure everything runs without a hitch. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the top veggies that can help keep your arteries in prime condition. Stay tuned as we reveal the 5 all-star vegetables that are supercharged for heart health. We'll dive into why they're so awesome and give you some pro tips on how to sneak them into your meals without turning every dinner into a salad. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to rock your way to better heart health. Vegetable number 1, leafy greens. Kicking off our list are leafy greens, the Beyoncé of vegetables. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them the ultimate superfoods. They're loaded with vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries like a loyal bodyguard. Here's the cool part. Leafy greens are full of nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels. This means better blood flow and lower blood pressure, keeping your arteries flexible and free of clogs. Plus, the antioxidants in these greens wage war on inflammation and oxidative stress, the arch-nemesis of arterial health. Worried that leafy greens are going to turn your meals into rabbit food? Fear not. Blend a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie. You won't even taste it, we promise. Throw some kale into your salads for a crunchy upgrade, or sauté Swiss chard with garlic for a tasty side dish. How about a kale and quinoa salad or spinach stuffed chicken breast? The possibilities are endless, and your heart will be singing your praises. Vegetable number 2, broccoli, the little green trees on your plate. Often overlooked by kids and adults alike, this veggie is a nutritional juggernaut. Packed with vitamins K and C, fiber, and sulforaphane, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, broccoli is a heart health superstar. Vitamin K keeps your blood clotting properly, so you don't spring a leak. And vitamin C helps fight off those annoying free radicals trying to wreak havoc on your cells. Broccoli doesn't just sit there looking green and pretty. It's actively scrubbing your arteries clean. Its fiber content helps reduce cholesterol by binding to it and shooing it out of your body. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties calm the lining of your arteries, reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Think of broccoli as your personal cardiovascular janitor, cleaning up the mess and keeping things running smoothly. Broccoli can be the life of the party if you let it. Steam it, roast it, or toss it in a stir-fry to keep its nutrients intact. You can even blend it into soups for a creamy texture without the cream. How about some cheesy broccoli casserole or a simple roasted broccoli with a squeeze of lemon? It's delicious and won't make you feel like you're eating rabbit food. Vegetable number 3, garlic, the tiny but mighty bulb that does more than just fend off vampires. Loaded with vitamins and minerals like B6, C, manganese, and selenium, garlic also boasts allicin, a compound that springs into action when you crush or chop it. Allicin is the secret agent in garlic's mission to boost your heart health. Garlic is like the secret agent of the veggie world. It sneaks in, lowers your blood pressure, and reduces cholesterol. It's also got a knack for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, ensuring your arteries remain clear of pesky plaque. Regular garlic consumption is like giving your heart a security detail against heart attacks and other cardiovascular threats. Adding garlic to your meals is a no-brainer. Crush or chop it and let it sit for a few minutes to unleash the allicin. Then, toss it into your favorite dishes. From pasta sauces to stir-fries, garlic's robust flavor and health benefits shine through. Try roasting whole garlic cloves for a sweeter, milder taste that's perfect for spreading on whole grain bread or mixing into mashed potatoes. Garlic shrimp, garlic chicken, or garlic-infused olive oil are all mouth-watering ways to sneak more of this heart-healthy hero into your diet. Vegetable number 4, beets. They may turn your kitchen into a murder scene with their vibrant red juice, but they're worth it. These earthy roots are packed with fiber, folate, and nitrates. The real superheroes in beets, though, are betalains, pigments that not only give beets their striking color but also pack a powerful anti-inflammatory punch. These nutrients work together to support your overall heart health. Beets are like the magic elixir for your arteries. They boost nitric oxide levels, which helps improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Think of nitric oxide as the ultimate artery relaxer, preventing stiffness and allowing your blood to flow freely. Regularly eating beets can be like giving your heart a relaxing spa day, reducing the risk of hypertension and keeping your blood vessels supple. Incorporating beets into your diet can be a colorful adventure. Roast them to bring out their natural sweetness, or grate them raw into salads for a crunchy texture. Beet hummus, beet smoothies, or even beet chips are fun and tasty ways to add this vibrant veggie to your meals. And if you're feeling fancy, try a beet and goat cheese salad. Your taste buds and heart will thank you. Vegetable number 5. Carrots, not just for Bugs Bunny. These crunchy, sweet veggies are loaded with beta-carotene, fiber, and potassium. Beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals. Fiber aids in digestion and keeps you full, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Carrots are like little orange warriors for your heart. Their antioxidant properties protect your arteries from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Plus, the fiber in carrots helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, further supporting cardiovascular health. Eating carrots is like giving your arteries a protective shield against damage and disease. Carrots are incredibly versatile. Snack on them raw with your favorite dip, or add them to salads for extra crunch. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs for a delicious side dish. Carrot soup, carrot juice, and even carrot cake, just go easy on the sugar, are delightful ways to enjoy this heart-healthy veggie. Incorporating carrots into your diet is a simple and tasty way to keep your arteries happy and your heart strong. All right, folks, let's give a standing ovation to our top 5 veggie MVPs. Leafy greens, broccoli, garlic, beets, and carrots. These superstar vegetables are like the Avengers for your heart. Leafy greens pack a punch with vitamins and antioxidants. Broccoli's sulforaphane swoops into lower cholesterol. Garlic's allicin takes down high blood pressure. Beets boost your nitric oxide for improved blood flow. And carrots with their beta-carotene are like a shield protecting your arteries from damage. Together, these veggies are your secret weapon against heart attacks, keeping your arteries squeaky clean. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I have to become a rabbit to get these benefits? Not at all. Incorporating these vegetables into your diet can be fun and easy. Toss a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie. It's practically invisible, but packs a health punch. Roast some broccoli with a sprinkle of garlic for dinner, and you've got a side dish that's both delicious and nutritious. Beets can jazz up your salad, and carrots are the perfect crunchy snack. Remember, every little bit helps, and soon enough, you'll feel the difference. In all seriousness, maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise routine is the key to overall health. Think of these vegetables as your daily dose of health insurance. They're not just good for your heart, they're good for your entire body. So, embrace these veggies, mix them into your meals, and feel the love from your heart and taste buds. For more tips on staying healthy and awesome recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your heart will thank you, and who knows, you might just start a veggie revolution in your kitchen. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep those arteries clean.